Today we have the 2018 Toyota Rav-4. This is a hybrid electric petrol vehicle. It has done just under 57,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, setup, navigation, car, and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control, as well as EV mode, eco mode, and sport mode.